स्टूडेंट्स वेलकम टू सौरभ सर क्लासेस। सो टुडे हम लोग TIFR 2026 मैथमेटिक्स का ट्रू फॉल्स सेक्शन से क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 ट्राई करेंगे। सो द स्टेटमेंट गिवन दैट let f maps r to r be a continuous function for each positive integer n. Okay, let fn maps r to r be defined by fnx. Fnx is f of x to the power n. Okay, f of x to the power n, if the sequence of function fn is uniformly convergent. That means the sequence fn is uniformly convergent. So let it's uniformly convergence, then f must be a constant function. Okay, so it's uniformly converges to f. Okay, so we have to show that we have to try, is the statement true that f must be a constant function or not. Okay, so start. As fn is uniformly convergent, so limit n tends to infinity, fnx should have finite limit, because this is uniformly convergence. So it should be a pointwise convergent, and pointwise convergence means and uniformly convergence given is, so this is for all x belongs to R. So limit यहाँ पर exist होगा. So this implies, but fnx दिया गया है f of x to the power n. This gives limit n tends to infinity, f of x to the power n have a finite limit. हम लोग इसको fl लिखते हैं, finite limit. Okay, this imply, okay, now given that f is continuous, f is continuous, uh, this is the main tool. Okay, given that f is continuous, so therefore limit n tends to infinity, f of xn can be written as limit n tends to infinity x to the n, because this is the basic criteria of continuous function. So as f is continuous, so the limit can carry forward to direct to the x to the power n, मतलब बाहर का limit अंदर चला आ जाएगा. This is because f is continuous. So this becomes limit n tends to infinity x to the power, sorry, not. So this becomes f of limit n tends to infinity x to the power n equals to finite limit, but x belongs to R, and limit n tends to infinity x to the power n only exist only when minus 1 less than x less than equals to 1. That means, because अगर x से बड़ा हो गया, so suppose limit n tends to infinity x, take the value 5, so 5 to the power n is goes to infinity, so does not exist. So here given that limit n tends to infinity x and exists, that means x should be minus 1 less than x less than equals to 1. But here given that x is belongs to R, because the function given that is uniformly convergence on R, so x should be any number from R, but x should be lie between minus 1 to 1 according to this definition, and this is also given that it has finite limit. So the only possibility is that then if x is constant. Otherwise, because if it's constant, then for any value f, suppose 100, then this is also constant. And for so if you take any larger value, then the value will be same. So the only possibility that the function will uniformly convergence, it should be uniformly convergence बोला दिया गया यहाँ पर given है, बोल दिया गया है. So then f must be a constant function, otherwise the limit goes to infinity. So hence the statement is true. So this statement is true. This is also a very good question. Okay, thank you.